Well, I am underneath the trailer, right here by the spare tire.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
And we're pretty sure that this is the box that is the back of the water heater. So we need to undo, there's 4 screws in the corners. We need to get rid of this stuff and this, maybe not even that. Undo it. Yeah, we'll have to do that too. So we need to scrape all that stuff away, unscrew, and see what we can see.
Got the tools ready to go. What size? Big one?
Let me see. Yeah, that'll work.
All right. We'll let you know what happens.
Okay. Okay, do we have any more of this spray foam?
No, we have to go to the store and buy some.
Okay, because I got to cut it all away.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just get rid of it.
Okay.
All right, we got the cover off of the water heater. Where's the water? Look at all the water down in there.
Yeah, it does.
I wonder.
Yeah.
I wonder if it is just that connection right there. Let's see if we can put the flashlight up there.
Need that little lantern light, maybe?
Let's see what we got here.
Okay, give it back to me.
Okay.
All right, I see the drip. It is right there.
The cold water inlet?
Yep,
The connection?
I actually saw it drip. There it goes. It's getting ready to drip. Drip. Yep, that's where it's dripping. So it's not gushing.
So,
Yeah, that's where the water's coming out.
okay.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure that it is this connection right here, this cold water connection. I'm drying it up right now, and then we'll have Tom turn the water pump on and see if it gets wet again. I'm just trying to wipe it down. Oops, sorry, with the camera. Kind of hard to do this stuff one-handed. All right. There's no puddle there now, at least. Okay, I have dried it up, sopped up the water. Oh, there, just dripped. Okay, go ahead, turn the water pump on.
Okay, water pump's on. I'm gonna turn on the faucet.
Yeah, that's making it drip more. It's not flowing, it's just dripping more frequently.
But it is out of that one area and no other area, correct?
That is correct. I do not see it anywhere else, just that one spot.
All right, pump's off.
Copy that. Okay, I'll wipe that up a little bit. But that's where our problem is right there. We just have to figure out how in the heck we fix that. Oh, you can see it dripping. Drip, drip.
It's from the wind.
Well, today is the moment of truth.
We're going to try to fix this thing. We've got a piece that we're going to try to adapt and make it work. But first we have to drain the water heater. Because if we don't, when we unscrew the back, we'll get soaked on the backside.
Yeah. This is not a how-to. This is WWTLD. What would Tom and Lori do?
All right. And since we have an Atwood, there's no, what do you call them?
Anorod.
We just have a plug. Wow, it's not squirting out like I thought. Well, there must not be that much water in there. It's going underneath.
Let me get a couple of other buckets.
Yeah, the buckets aren't going to do anything.
I meant in addition to that.
This isn't working. See?
Well, then put it like this.
There's nothing you can do. Oh, sideways. There. See, I told you to put that in sideways.
Uh-huh. There we go.
You want it to squirt? There you go.
Pressure relief.
Yeah. Duh.
It's a lovely, windy, cool day, cloudy.
Is it all going in there, or is it going
No,
in the
it's all
dirt
going.
behind it?
Nope. Might be a little bit splashing the other way.
'Cause I can't see. Almost empty. There it is. Now we got to figure out a way to put that back in there when we get it fixed.
Ew, we are not. The cooler was dirty. We'll go water the trees. Trickle, trickle.
Yeah, I know. This needs to be replaced.
Yes. We
Blah,
know.
blah, blah, yada, yada, yada.
Famous words of somebody else. Don't do what I do. Got our handy little rug to sit on. You gonna take the tire down?
I don't know.
I think we should. It'll give us more leverage.
I figure you're going to do most of the work.
I probably am.
Should we take her down?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think it would help.
I'll go get the key.
It's right there.
Oh.
I put it in the magnetic thing. Okay, so here's what happened. Tom took off the blue PEX pipe off of the fitting that goes into the back of the water heater. And we're at a loss. We really don't know what to do. We bought this new part and we do think that it will fit. However, we aren't confident. And so we don't want to mess things up worse than it already is. So I'm putting the blue PEX back on the inlet, the cold water inlet. So I am in the process of screwing that back on. And then we're gonna go to plan B and try and figure out either what to do or somebody to call. And I don't think that this is working.
All right, you're going to have to tell me exactly when you want me to hit the pump button.
Copy that. Let me know when you're in there ready.
10-4, I'm in here, I'm ready. You tell me when.
Okay, go for it. So far no leaks, no drips. Interesting.
Well, the pump's running continuously. I think it has to pressurize.
That could be too. I don't know. We'll see.
All right, we're doing something wrong. I'm turning the pump off.
Well, was it trying to refill the water heater back up again?
All I heard was trying to refill the water heater back up again. I don't understand that statement.
I said, was it trying to refill the water heater back up again?
I do not know, but I've never heard it run continuously like that unless we're in the shower.
Okay, there's just one little tiny drip I've seen. So I don't know. Maybe it was just trying to fill the water heater back up again. I guess we're gonna have to look that back up again.
Yeah, because we can't have the pump running like that. Come on up here.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back upstairs and we'll see what's going on. But there was just a little tiny drip. It wasn't dripping as bad as it was before. Okay.
We give.
Uncle. Yeah, we give. We are too afraid to mess things up worse. So we are going to start calling around for mobile techs.
It's kind of above our pay grade.
Yeah.
And if it's above our pay grade, we might as well pay somebody to do it the right way.
Yes.
Not the Tom and Lori way.
No. So this is what would Tom and Lori do in this case? Call for help.
Call for help. We went to pull the adapter. What's it called?
The inlet? I don't know. Anyway.
The square thing that you said was square.
We don't know what it's called.
We went to pull that out of the water tank, but we can't get tools in there to twist it.
Yeah. And
because the space is so small, and I didn't want to pull the water tank out.
Now that's unhooking a couple more things that we could mess up worse.
I just don't want to deal with it.
Nope, and Tom's knee is killing him. He has peas on it right now.
Yeah.
So
out there crawling around in the dirt, and my knee's hurting. So
we have a bucket under there, and it's just going to have to leak for now until somebody can come and fix it correctly.
Help, Mr. Wizard. So we're going to start shopping around, looking for somebody that's nearby, see what a mobile tech is. Yeah. We already know it's going to cost an arm and a leg and maybe a knee. Oh, well, I've got one extra knee, so...
No.
You know,
nope.
We'll see what happens. Hey,
that's what emergency funds are for.
This is our RV life. This is what it's all about. It's just us living day to day, full-time, in an RV. Not really going exciting places.
Yes.
But we're just normal, everyday goofballs trying to make it work.
Yep. I mean, what can you do? It's our house. It's got a broken something, and you get it fixed, right? You live in a sticks and bricks house. You call, come fix it.
You either fix it yourself or you get somebody to do it the right way. That's how I look at it.
Yeah. So we tried.
So thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Leave us a comment below. How would you have fixed it?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a lot of opinions on what we did.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. Hey, you know what? We actually stopped before we did
before we
wrong.
Destroyed it.
Yeah, we really didn't do anything wrong, but we couldn't. We gave up. Said, we can't do this.
Uncle.
Yep. I just don't want to mess up anything worse.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Life is short, make it sweet.
GoPro, stop recording. Well, we're under the trailer again. See, look at all the room in here.
That's because the spare tire's not in here.
Yeah, we've got that moved.
If the spare's in here, there's not that much room.
Yep. So when we talked to you a little while ago, we said we were calling somebody. We gave up. It was like, yeah, we're not going to mess this up. So
we ended up calling somebody.
We called somebody. So we called a mobile repair guy, mobile RV tech. And he came and fixed it. So down over here is where the leak was. He put a new fitting on it. He added some flexible hosing. Oh yeah.
We replaced that fitting that went into the back of the tank. That's what you and I were afraid to pull out.
Yeah.
We just didn't know.
Right. So this was into this.
Into the tank.
Into the tank where that big aluminum part is. So when we went to go buy the fitting that we thought we needed, I told him, I showed him the pictures and I pointed to this and I said, it's square. He says, oh no, it's not square. It's, and
how'd he go?
he acted like I was an idiot. And it was like, I passed kindergarten. I know what a square is. This is square. Not the round parts on the ends, but the middle part is square.
Okay, we've got that clear.
Got that clear. So anyway, I want to take this into him when we return that piece and say, this is the square piece I said. Anyway.
So the flex hose that you see on here.
Right there.
Replaced this piece of hose right here.
That piece of PEX, yeah.
That piece of PEX that was so tight and so short, you couldn't do anything inside here.
Yeah, it went this way.
Yeah, you just couldn't do
like
anything.
that.
Couldn't do anything in there.
So we are assuming that this right here is where
it is leaking.
It was leaking.
It was leaking there, and then the washer inside of it was
just went on that.
Yeah, and it was leaking. It was leaking here, and it was leaking here.
Yep.
So,
and it was leaking in 2 spots.
Yeah, but there's nothing wrong with the tank. The tank is fine. We've pressure checked it for the last several hours. The reason the box isn't on it is because I asked him, I said, leave it off, we'll put it on later. I want to check it for leaks all afternoon, which we have. Works perfect, so we're glad he was here. We're glad he fixed it. Everything's good. So now we're gonna put the box back on it. We actually put some insulation in the box because there was none. It was just open, and it's like, okay, let's just shove a little bit in there and then put it up there. And we have sealant to go around the outside and up against the frame of the RV.
It goes in here, goes or like that.
Yeah, and we've got sealant, so we're going to clean this box off a little bit on the outside before we put the sealant on there. Yep. And then you're going to do that.
Oh, goody.
Because your hands are smaller. Actually,
that does help.
Actually, I could do it because it is all outside. I don't have to get inside the little box anymore. So I can put the sealant on it and get this job done, and we are good to go. And gosh, we can take hot showers now.
Oh, nice.
No more cold showers.
And it's going to get cold here, so we're going to need that hot water.
Yeah. All right, so there's the end of the video. We hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, share it out with your friends or in another Facebook group, and let us know in the comments below, what would you have done? Would you have dug into the back of the tank and went ahead and maybe damaged the tank, and then you have to have a whole new water tank? We just didn't want to go that route.
We didn't want to do that.
All right,
so
thanks for watching.
Sometimes you have to hire a repair guy in the toolbox because Dave's not always around. We wouldn't have asked Dave to do this anyway.
No, there's no way.
There's no way. And he might have helped. He even said, why didn't this happen in Yuma? And I said, we would not have asked you to do this or even allowed you to help us do this, Dave. We love you and we appreciate your help, but not for this. You'd never fit underneath here anyway.
There's no way.
You're too tall.
I couldn't get my hands in there.
Yeah. Not your big mitts. We love you, Dave. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. See ya. GoPro, stop recording.